I'm Andrew Porter from East Coast Yacht Sales. You're joining me aboard the 2006 Hunt Harrier 25 Sunday morning. This is a well-loved and well-cared-for example of the Harrier 25. The legendary Ray Hunt designed deep V hull with Hunt Yachts, quality build, and lots of beautiful details. Great seating, great social spaces, a day at the sandbar or a day out on the bay. Absolutely an awesome version of this Hunt. Let's take a look and go for a boat ride.
Here's a look at Sunday morning, 2006 Hunt Harrier 25. Gorgeous little boat. From the design of C. Raymond Hunt, which made the deep V hull famous. This boat is a go-anywhere little rocket ship. She can handle anything the bay throws at you. Narragansett Bay, Buzzards Bay, Block Island Sound. A real go-getter. Really good performing boat. Stepping into the cockpit, you can see all the seating. Big bench aft, aft-facing seat on the engine box, and then this really cool sort of lounge area. L-shaped settee with a nice table. Wet bar to starboard. Makes a really cool social area. Helm and companion seat. One cool thing about this boat is the way that it rides. It's a sitting boat. So you can be sitting in that seat very comfortably. Your ride angle and your view out the windshield is perfect. So it's a very sort of relaxed running boat. The deep V hull means that she performs and is comfortable in almost any condition. That's the Ray Hunt hull for you. Here's the helm. Really well done, beautiful joiner work, beautiful varnished teak accents. That's a brand new 2024 Garmin plotter. This boat also has an autopilot, which is a really nice feature, not seen on many of the Hunt Harrier 25s. And here's the interior, very simple. Nice V-berth, you could take a nap down there, easy for sleeping, full-sized adults could be down there. And right under centerline is a vacuum flush toilet, cocktail table, really nice entertaining space, all under this awning. So you've got some nice sun protection or a little bit of open air sun back aft. You also have some storage under the cockpit and a nice big hatch, lots of access. And the Volvo 8.1 gas engine is under the centerline engine hatch. Very easy to get to, very easy to service. This boat has been really well cared for. Major engine service in 2023 and a new Volvo outdrive in 2023 also. So very up to date, less than 600 hours on the Volvo engine. There's a swim shower back here and then also a swim platform with a ladder. This is the classic Hunt Harrier 25, just an awesome running boat, great for entertaining. Just a real gem and in really nice condition, ready to go for this season.
That's a look at a Hunt Harrier 25. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you have any questions, please email or call. My information is below this video.